Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Neurom C20, which is an all-in-one camera and speakerphone device. Full disclosure that Neurom sent me this free of charge in turn for an honest review, however they are not compensating me in any other way, so as always this review will be my straightforward opinion of this product. So inside the box we have a manual and a quick start guide. Next we have a box with a USB-A to USB-C cable, and finally we have the device itself. On the top we have the controls and microphones, and on the bottom we have a speaker and the USB-C port. It has a non-slip base and a space for the cable to stick out. I like that it uses a simple one cable plug-and-play interface via USB-C. So the design is very nice. It's about the size of a first-gen Amazon Echo device. It's made of plastic and feels kind of hollow inside, but it does feel pretty sturdy and not something that could easily get crushed or broken. The camera supports 1080p 30 frames per second video quality, a 100-degree wide-angle lens, 4 microphones with noise reduction, and a pickup range of up to 13 feet away, although they do list 7 feet as being the optimal pickup range. In their marketing photos, they compare their device to another company which most people will recognize as a camera from Logitech. This is the Business Conference Cam 950, which I also happen to have for my work, so let's take a look and compare the C20 head-to-head with the BCC 950 and see how they perform. This camera has been around for over 10 years now, and they're still selling them, so it'll be interesting to see how it compares to a newer product. First off, the C20 wins for setup as there's no assembly required. It also wins for connectivity since it uses a single USB-C port for power and data, whereas the Logitech uses a permanently attached USB-A cable for data and a separate cable for power, which can either be USB-A or a plug for AC wall power. These two cables add a lot of clutter, and if you have a newer laptop with only USB-C ports, you'll need to provide your own adapters. Whereas with the C20, you can swap out the cable with your own USB-C to USB-C cable and plug it directly into the laptop. This is also great if you want to use a shorter or longer cord. Now let's take a look at the lens of each camera. The C20 advertises a 100-degree wide-angle lens, whereas the Logitech BCC 950 uses a much more narrower 78-degree lens, but does offer pan and tilt and a very limited digital zoom. In this example, I'm comparing the built-in FaceTime HD camera and then the BCC 950, and finally the C20. I marked my table and walls with blue tape to indicate the field of view. And as you can see, the C20 definitely has the widest angle camera, although it is angled slightly upwards. I think they do this so it can capture people if they were standing up, for example if you're using a whiteboard in a conference room, and then that way you could still be seen. However, if you are using this as a personal setup, you can always prop something up under the camera and manually tilt it downwards if you want to be more centered in the frame. I found the video quality to be good, but I did notice it has a fixed focus lens, so it won't be the clearest if you plan on doing close-ups of anything, but the camera is really meant for capturing a group of people, so for that use case the fixed focus is fine. The buttons on the top are touch sensitive and allow you to adjust the volume, but when it comes to enabling and disabling the camera and microphones, I ran into some minor issues. When toggling the camera on a Windows PC, it just blanks out the video, which is what I expected. However, on a Mac, it just seemed to go into a freeze frame mode. I asked if this was expected, and Neurom said it was a bug which will be fixed in a future firmware update. As for the mic mute, it does mute the mics, but sadly these controls do not sync with Zoom like some other devices do, so you may find yourself double muted if you aren't careful with these controls. Note that unlike some similar devices, the C20 does not have a built-in battery or Bluetooth, so you can't use it as a portable speakerphone device, as you'll always need to have it connected to your computer via USB to operate. Now let's test the speaker quality. Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the job. Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the job. Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the job. Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the job. Now let's test and compare the loudness of the speaker. Now let's test the microphone quality in a quiet environment. Hello, this is a test of the built-in microphone at 2 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the built-in microphone at 4 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the built-in microphone at 7 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the built-in microphone at 13 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the C20 microphone at 2 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the C20 microphone at 4 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the C20 microphone at 7 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the C20 microphone at 13 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the BCC 950 microphone at 2 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the BCC 950 microphone at 4 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the BCC 950 microphone at 7 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the BCC 950 microphone at 13 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the PolySync 20 microphone at 2 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the PolySync 20 microphone at 4 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the PolySync 20 microphone at 7 feet away. Hello, this is a test of the PolySync 20 microphone at 13 feet away. And now let's test the microphones in a room with lots of background noise. Hello, this is a test with the PolySync 20. I'm going to type on this keyboard and we'll see how well it does with noise reduction. And now we're testing the C20 microphones with background noise. I'll start typing on the noisy keyboard and we'll see how well the sound comes through. And now we're recording with the BCC 950 with background noise. I'm going to type on the keyboard and we'll see how well it sounds. And now we're using the built-in microphones. I'll start typing on the noisy keyboard and we'll see how well the voice comes through. So as you can hear, the microphone quality of the C20 isn't as clear as some of the other options, but it did do an excellent job at keeping the gain or the volume of the audio consistent across different distances. The C20 has a companion app which is available for Mac and PC, and when I tested installing this on a PC, it immediately popped up and warned me that the software wasn't safe. I've never seen this before with any other software, but I took the risk and the software seemed to open just fine. It looks very similar to the Jabra Direct software, and it has an option to adjust some of the settings, but sadly most of them were grayed out as they seem to be for other models. It also allows you to update the firmware, although the version numbers are really confusing, so make sure you double check the numbers to make sure you're actually upgrading and not downgrading it. So in conclusion, do I recommend the C20? Yes, for the low price, I think you get a very nice all-in-one device with adequate quality for personal or small group meetings. If you're interested in purchasing this, please use the affiliated link in my video description. Your price stays the same, but a small commission may come back to help support my channel if you buy anything from Amazon after clicking my link. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and if you found this useful, please hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.